so let's make our own DIY foundation. So I've been using this for the past year or so, and I just wanted to share with everyone because I know that right now a lot of people can't go outside and go and stock up on your makeup and stuff like that, and this is a quick fix in case you ever run out. So I'm going to be using 4 simple ingredients, and this is just a palette and a mixer. And for those of you guys who are a little bit on the darker side, you're able to use the hot cocoa, the chocolate one. These are safe ingredients, by the way. I'm gonna use cinnamon because I'm a little on the olive side. I didn't have my other a little bit lighter, but this one will do. And then you're going to and if you're lighter than these two, then cinnamon and chocolate, you could do light cocoa, which is the white cocoa or white chocolate mixture. And then also facial gel hydrator. This one you could get at any drugstore or Dollar Tree. And then also cornstarch. I put it in this thing because I don't want to be with a big old can of cornstarch out here. And then any essential oil of choice, and I'm going to use Rejuvenate because who doesn't want great looking skin with DIY stuff, right? Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to put a little bit of the hydrating gel. It's a clear consistency. Okay, let's see if you guys can see it. Okay, like this over here. And then I'm going to put cornstarch just a little bit. So, and then let's do the cinnamon. Okay, you can put as much as you want. I'm just gonna make a little bit just to show you guys. Then you could just store it anywhere you want in any little plastic container or like a metal container, and then put it in the refrigerator, and it could last you up to 6 weeks in the refrigerator. So you're able to like use it. And then of course, any essential oil of your choice, like I said, I'm gonna use the Rejuvenate because I want to get benefits, skincare benefits as I'm using this. So I'm gonna put like 2 little drops. Let's make that 3. Okay. Okay, and then just mix it together. See? Oh, it smells so good. It smells so cinnamony. So see how it's getting thicker. And this you could use right away too, by the way, forgot to mention it. So I'm gonna do this one because I was running low on mine and I made one in the morning. That's why I'm only making a little bit right now. I should have made more. So this is how it's going to look. See? And then let me just grab a little sponge over here so you guys could see. Let me mix it a little bit more. Okay. So this is how it's going to do the swab. So I obviously have to mix it a little bit more. But other than that, that's how it's going to look. And then once you apply it to your skin, the little beads will fade away. And then to top it off, you could put any mattifying powder over it. That way it looks more natural. So this is the result of your DIY foundation. I hope you like it and hope you can try it out. Bye.